Welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to solve a problem from International Math Olympiad 1959. So the question is like this. Square root, nested square root is given and the question is find x. So here assumption is x is real and the square root is calculated on the basis of the non-negative number. So with this assumption, so we have to find the x. So let's start with the squaring both sides of the given equation. So we'll have this formula. We use a plus b whole square. Now again, further simplified, the first term will be like this. The second term will become x minus square root 2x minus 1. And the third term, we rewrite it taking inside everything the square root. Then we further simplify. So here square root 2x minus 1 will cancel out. And then you get it here 2x. And this part you have a plus b, a minus b formula. So it will become a square minus b square. So it will be look like this, 2x square minus 2x minus 1. Now further simplify here. So it will gives you x square minus 2x plus 1, and which is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. Then we further simplify it, and because x minus 1 whole square root is x minus 1, and this will give us final answer as x is equal 1.